Welcome, friends. Let's take our stitching to the sea. The universe exists in a state of balance. The law of conservation of matter and energy states that matter is neither created nor destroyed, but conserved. The same oxygen atom cycles through the various systems that support life, combining and breaking apart from other atoms, interacting with the energy of nature, and being a part of everything. Likewise, magic is all around us and within us. It's just another form of energy that we may not yet be able to quantify or physically see. In every breath we take, in every grain of sand, in every drop in the ocean, you are part of the universe, part of the cycles of nature. Your magic and intention is too. You are in sync with the cosmos. Every choice in your life and all the forces of nature have led you to where you are right now. Sit with the feeling of your correct place in the universe and all of the things that brought you here, good or bad. Found objects, like a simple rock from the beach or a piece of shell, can be a powerful piece of your spell work, imbued with all the magic and energy of the ocean, and in being exactly where it's meant to be for you. I have taken a simple swirling symbol common to many ancient cultures, but to the ancient Balts, it was a symbol for the great sea serpents that haunted the deep of their ocean, like in the folktale Egle, Queen of the Snakes. The tide today was tumultuous, the wind directionless and wild, tearing at my hair, fabric, and thread. My practice transformed from perfection of stitches to sitting with my mild discomfort to enjoy the storm-tossed sea in all of her forms. When stitching in nature, I do my best to remain focused on the time and place. My electronics are on silent. I try to choose times when there are less people around, so it is easier for me to focus on my intention and the sensation of being. Stitching helps us place ourselves in a time and space, solid, not just a memory, but a physical manifestation of your presence and the presence of the world around you. I'll leave you now to meditate on your own practice as I stitch. We can go into any situation or stitch with intention, but it is to our benefit to bend and shape ourselves around the experience. What sand dune tries to resist the wind? At the end of your stitching, try to reflect on what your intention started as, what your practice transformed it into, and how you managed to maintain your connection to this time and place, if even for a few short minutes. Stitching in nature is about the practice, not the product. The intention, not the item. Happy stitching, my friends.